Hi guys and welcome back to MavTech. I'm Mark and today we're looking at something which is just stand out fantastic. That's a new product out and I'm excited about this one. This is something different that I haven't owned before. It's been around for a while but they're getting better and better at it, and it's just pure viewing pleasure. Little hint there. So today we're looking at, you guessed it, the Oculus Go. The first standalone VR headset that you don't need to hook up cables to a computer and be tethered to something behind you or around you. This is just put on and pure look around, standalone viewing pleasure in VR. So we're going to get this open, have a look at what's inside, what it contains. I'll do a review on it a week from now and let you know how I'm getting on with it, what I really think, what I think the viewing's like and everything. But this is just to look at inside and I'm buzzing to get this open. You ready? Let's do this. Right, I'm actually buzzing, I can't wait any longer, so I'll do a very quick walk around the box and then we're going to open it up and have a look at what's inside. So starting on the front here, you're going to see the Oculus Go, which you obviously purchased. It's going to show you a few of the apps and games you can use down the bottom, and it says here, if you look very closely, here in the corner, it says 1,000 plus apps, games and movies. Now that's impressive. And like I said, I will be doing a review a week on, so I'll let you know what ones of them are worth using, what ones are worth skipping, how Netflix is working and other bits, but we'll get to that when I can. Now another thing to remember in these, there's two storage options to go for. You can have a 32GB option or a 64GB option. I went for the 64GB option. I always do go for the bigger storage options, it's just me in general. But you've got to think this always is ready for future updates, extra stuff that's going to come on it. There's always going to be new games out, new apps, so think about getting the bigger storage if you can. It costs you £50 more. The 64GB option here that I've got is £250. Now if you want to go for the 32GB option, be my guest, it's up to you what you think the storage you're going to need. It's £200, so there's only a £50 difference. So think very carefully. If you're already spending the 200 quid, if you've got the spare £50 cash, go ahead, do it. More storage, more options, more choices, a bit of a no-brainer, but again, entirely up to you. Now side of the box shows you the controller that you're going to get inside. We'll check that out when we open it up. This side again, the Oculus Go, it shows you it from a side angle, and it says on here, high resolution display, built-in immersive audio, movies with friends, 360 videos and photos, impressive, live events and concerts. We'll check it all out. And as you can just see, sneak peek there from the back, you've got the Oculus facing view. That's what you're going to see when you put your head into it. And again, just a few more bits on the back. Look at that, real new meaning to Netflix and chill. But yeah, are you ready to get this open? I'm buzzing. Come, let's do this. Oculus, not waiting longer, let's just get it open. Trusty knife, I use all the time, unboxing knife. Very gently slide it down the sides. It's a very well packaged box. Could mistake it for another company, which we're not going to mention in this video. So one side, and this just literally lifts up, bottom slides out. He says, there we go. To reveal, very nicely packaged, bit of foam here on the top for protection, because as you open it up you see the Oculus, the controller and everything you need is just sitting nicely inside. Packaged very well and very tight. A nice bit of presentation there from Oculus. So we can see what we've got here. Let's just quickly open this up. Oculus Go, I'm guessing this will be the instructions and bits and pieces. Let's have a look. So I'll open this up and that's what you first see, and it basically tells you on here what everything is. Going to make my job a lot easier. So eye spacer. This one, I know this is for if you wear glasses at all, so this can go inside to give you a bit of space. We'll put that down to one side. In here we've got lens cloths. There you go, lens cloths for cleaning inside. This part which I'll show you in a minute, the Oculus Go, for cleaning the actual lenses inside. What else have we got in here? Some instructions to flick through. Might actually have to be reading this on this. And then you've got your charging lead. That's a micro USB to micro USB to charge the Oculus. I have noticed there's no power brick in here, but we've all got them. So what else have we got? It does come with a single AA battery. That's to go in the controller to power the controller for the Oculus. And this side we have a lanyard. Let's have a look, open this up. The lanyard's to go with the controller in the bottom, in case you start swinging it about a bit crazy like in the old Wii days, remember? Yeah, we all needed them back then. So that's what's inside the box. So there you go, we'll just put all that to one side down here, get it out of the way and get to the fun stuff. Right, controller, very simple design, trigger, movement, and 2 simple buttons. Small, sleek, stylish. Simple, that's all you need. And then, star of the event, packaged beautifully, your Oculus Go. Oculus Go. So, that's out. Grab your phone to get started. So you do need a phone to download the app and just pair it up. I'll do that in a second and get it going, but just let's have a quick look at this. Wow. I'm so excited to work in a candy shop. My first VR, I hadn't owned VR before. I didn't really want to get involved when it is computers and gaming stations you had to build, and it gets quite expensive that way, or I didn't want ones where you stick the phone in. It seemed a bit cheap and naff. Never tried them, not slagging them off, don't know, but this is just one bit in the package sorted. There you go. So the app's downloaded and installed. It gives you a really quick walkthrough of how to actually set your Oculus Go up. It's really simple. It's got small videos and instructions, step by step, follow what to do. They couldn't have made it easier. That's fantastic. Well done, Oculus. And then you can go on here, download content from their app store, the Oculus Go app store, sort of like the iTunes app store. But for the Oculus, there's apps on here. There's viewing experience. There's 360 videos. There's films, Netflix. You name it. It's pretty much on here now. I've just got this, so like I said, I'm not going to talk too much about what it does. I have put it on, and oh my god, it's incredible. Just the setup screens, what you can do. You're looking into the Grand Canyon. You're on a snowy side of a mountain peak. You can be in a reef, and it looks fantastic. It looks amazing everywhere you look. There's the idea of the VR. It's above you, it's below you, it's all around you. It's just fantastic. So go on the app when you've got it. Look at all the different stuff on here. There's loads and loads to look at. I mean, I'm just getting started. So like I said, in a week's time, I'll do a proper review of how I'm getting on with it, how I find it, and the best apps to download for it. But first impressions, this thing's amazing. Just sticking it on, it's comfortable. It's got your adjustable straps. Inside, the actual viewing looks brilliant. It looks fantastic. It's clear. It's not blurry. It's not too much out there or anything. But it just looks fantastic. It's amazing. I'm actually blown away by it. Never used anything like this before. It's just incredible to use. The kids have already been in here, tried it on, and they think it's amazing. So I'm giving it a thumbs up straight away. The Oculus Go, £250, 64 gigabytes of storage, and just an all-out amazing experience. I mean, if you haven't done VR before, it's going to blow you away. It's literally going to blow you away. It's incredible. I can't say that enough. But yeah, download the app, set it up, enjoy. So once again, I'm Mark. You've been watching MavTech with the Oculus Go. See you soon.